The new pistol is developed on the interest of the Ministry of Defense of Russia. Now it's experimental unit. It runs several tests. The pistol consists of complex: the light, flashlight, silencer. The caliber of this pistol is 9x19. There are 50 rounds magazine capacity. But optional, we have magazine for 18 rounds and storming magazine for bigger capacity rounds. We would like this pistol to be cheap and reliable. Same as everything what we do in our company, Kalashnikov. I hold in my hands AK-12. This assault rifle is developed in the interest of the Ministry of Defense of Russian Federation. It had a new ergonomic. It has a telescopic buttstock, foldable, складной, new hand grip, pistol, a new safety and fire control unit. Now, this assault rifle has a fixed, safely Picatinny rail on the top of the receiver. On the heating time, by any time of vibration, the average point of destination is not going to be changed. This is called MA, small size assault rifle. The weight of this assault rifle is only 2.5 kg. It's much lighter in weight than the machine gun pistol, 9x19. It's absolutely different construction, different design. And the principle of action. And this is a plastic furniture made. Only metallic is barrel and the bolt group. It's very light. Very good managed while shooting. Very compact. I hold in my arms a light machine gun RPK-16. Basically, the constructive design ideas which we implemented on the AK-12, we implemented on this light machine gun. This is deep modernization of the existing RPK. The biggest problem, the biggest problem of the previous generation RPK, there was a not big capacity magazine. Now the new drum magazine of 96 rounds capacity allows us to get rid of the tape kind of ammunition carrier. Any magazines, even from the AK standard, can be used together instead of this drum magazine. I hold in my hand machine gun pistol Vityaz MO. Is developed for the 9x19 mm parabellum ammunition. It has a 30 rounds magazine. Here we have this clip that can hold two magazines together. 60 rounds capacity, bolt. It has a free bolt. In spite of it looks like by AK it's different. The different system of automatic is used. Free bolt. Suppressor. And the foldable buttstock. We developed a new sniper rifle in two calibers, and 308 Winchester and Russian standard 7.62x54. This is a sniper rifle which has a principally different construction design. It has only 3 kg and something weight. It has a foldable buttstock. It's very compact. It's the same precise. Same as semi-automatic sniper rifles worldwide. But if we compare this with HK, Kalashnikov, it's much lighter, much more compact, and much more cheaper. This model of SV98, it's made in mass, and we supplied for the Ministry of Defense of Russia. In comparison with the previous model of the sniper rifle SV98, we have exchanged the wooden stock, replaced it by the steel stock. Aluminium stock, better to say. Now we have special unit to mount the Picatinny and mount other scopes, and the silencer is used also with this. In spite of the fact that the ammunition which is used with this sniper rifle is hardly to be called a sniper rifle special ammunition. However, the military guys, they run several tests, and on the distances, shooting on the distances of 1 kilometer, 1,000 meters, they took a target 1 by 1 meter. They shot all 10 rounds, and they penetrated the target with the angle of firing 60 millimeters.
Hello, my name is Grigory. I'm representative of Kalashnikov Group, and today we would like to show you our new concept of modular armor carrier. Here are a lot of different features. So let's start from the idea itself. We would like to give the operator a possibility to have a set of different parts, so he can adjust it as just in different for different missions. So you don't need to remove each pouch separately. You can just remove the panel, like the black one, for example, and just put another panel with different pouches, for example, SMG magazines, grenades, and so on. Here you can choose how to close it. So you have Velcro or the Fastex, which allows you just to adjust it one time and then just open it and close every time in the same position. The cummerbund, we have it in different variants. So here is 3 rows of moly webbing. We can add here armour with Kevlar and plates also. Here you can see the plates. And you don't have to buy maybe 5 different armor carriers. You can buy one set and just combine it for each mission.